Hi, I'm the founder and CEO of Impulse AI. We're building an autonomous machine learning engineer that can go from your data to a deployed model in less than an hour. Today, I want to talk about how important it is to get your data right. So when you're building a machine learning or deep learning model, it's extremely important that your data set is really good. And so I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes of what all Impulse can do to make sure that you're having success in building AI models. Now, when you upload your data, you get a quality score. So you can see here that you get a 94 out of 100 with only 1.9% missing values. So let's go into full details. The first thing we show you is an overview. Completeness, 98%, consistency, 100%. We show you that, overall excellent data quality, the number of rows, the number of columns, if you have duplicate rows, if how many percent of your cells are missing, and then we give you like a breakdown. And so you can see that this is a really good quality set. Now you can actually even go into each of the columns. So this is a specific one to predict if a passenger is going to get transported or not. You can see passenger ID, home planet, and we show you the sample values as well as stuff like the quality metrics for each feature. We also show you the distribution for every single column in your data set. So you can see that here the average age is 28.8, the median is 27, the standard deviation is 44.5. And then finally, we show you correlations between the data to each other and the issue. So over here, there are some outliers detected, but nothing major. So this is an excellent data set. Now let's look at not a good data set, a couple of them. So over here, our AI scored this a 15 out of 100 due to 25% of the missing values and limited data. And so when we expand this, you can see that the completeness is not that high. There's only 20 rows and 4 columns. And if you click on the issues, you can see that multiple columns have a lot of missing values. Here's another one where this data set is too small. So let's expand this. Data only has three rows. So we actually tell you that we're not able to train a model based on this data. It might have 100% completeness and uniqueness and consistency, but if there just aren't enough data samples, then we're not going to be able to train a model. And then finally, the last one is limited data. So technically, you could build a model from this data set. It's 20 rows and 4 columns. But there is a high correlation between feature 1 and feature 2, which would cause degraded model performance. And so these are the different ways that we make sure that even before you've set yourself up to build an AI model, we're doing the things necessary from a data quality check and a data set check to make sure that you will end up with a great model. Thanks. Bye.